last star in the handle to the Little Dipper is the pole star itself. Ursa Minor is also known as the pole star constellation. It is usually visible during the springs and also visible in summer. ম্যাম এতটা না আর একটু পড়বো?
Okay, continue.
Okay, ma'am.
So I am also recording the session. So if most of the student got disconnected, so I'm recording the session so that they can follow this classwork. So that is why you should continue. You should continue. Don't stop. The next we are
Okay, ma'am.
okay. So first, tell me what are these? Orion, Ursa Major, Ursa Minor.
And these
The
are all
three
constellations.
is or all are constellation. Yes. Now continue.
Okay, ma'am.
Shomodeep, you can continue.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. On the next page, the solar system. The sun dominates all the planets of our solar system. The solar system consists of the sun at the center, the eight planets, asteroids, and the comets revolving around the sun, with the thousands of comets and innumerable meteors. The sun. The sun is a star of medium size and it is nearest to us. It is about 3330400 times heavier than the Earth
Hmm.
and at a distance of 150 million kilometers from the Earth. Light from the sun takes about 8.3 minutes to reach the Earth. The diameter of the sun is over 109 times the diameter of the Earth. The sun is a huge ball of hydrogen and helium gases. We get heat and light from the sun. Its surface temperature is about 6000 Celsius. Sometimes, from some areas on the surface of the sun, hot gases shoot outwards. These are called prominences, planets and their moons. In our solar system, planets are the largest bodies. They do not emit light like the sun or the star. They
Hello,
appear
ma'am.
bright to
Yes, say 1 minute,
Ma'am, can
Shomodeep.
I?
Yes, you can.
Okay, ma'am.
they do not emit light like the sun or the stars. They appear bright to us because they reflect the sunlight that falls on them. The planets do not twinkle like the stars. The eight planets in order of the distances from the sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. All the planets revolve around the sun in
Okay.
elliptical
Now I am
orbit.
reading. Okay, stop. Okay, thank you, Shomodeep. So all the planets revolve around the sun is elliptical orbit, almost in the same plane. Just look at the picture. The picture is showing same thing. The planets have different composition, size, etc. The four planets close to the Sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. These planets are called the inner planets and terrestrial planets. The next four planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, are giants in composition. Giant means they are very, very big in size. Not only big, that is why it is called giant. These are made of gases and are therefore called the gas or giant or the other planet. So underline this sentence. So which planet? So mainly Jupiter, this planet. Underline the sentence that Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune are called giant ball of gases also. The strong gravitational pull of the sun prevent the planet from flying off into the space. Some information about planets are given below. So let's see what it is written here. Okay. Okay. So in Bengali we say this planet in Bengali known as Buddh, Mercury. It is the closest planet to the sun. During day it becomes very hot and cold at night. Life on this planet is not possible. The picture of this planet illustrates that it looks rather like the moon. with many craters and some plains and similar in size and mass. But wait, it doesn't have any moon. It appears like a very bright star. Mercury has no known moon. So though it's look like the moon, but though it's look like the moon with many craters and some plains and similar size, but it doesn't have any moon. Next, Shukra, Venus. It is the closest planet to the Earth. It has approximately the same size as the Earth. Hence, it is called the sister planet of the Earth. Underline the sentence. I don't know that it is mentioning in the question is present in the exercise or not, but for MCQ, very, very important. The sister planet of the Earth, that is Venus. It is also known the evening and the morning star. Evening and morning star, it is also known. The bright appearance of Venus is due to its cloudy atmosphere, which reflect almost 3/4 of the sunlight. It doesn't have any moon, just like the previous one. Okay. Next, it has a thick atmosphere of carbon dioxide which trap heat like a greenhouse and contain dense clouds. Okay. Next, our Earth, Prithvi. It is a unique planet which sustains life. All the factors necessary for life exist only on the Earth. No other planet in the solar system can sustain life. When it is seen from space, the Sun, the Earth appear as a blue planet with swirling white clouds. Hence, it is also called as blue planet, just like the picture. The average diameter of Earth is 12,800 km. Radius of Earth is 6,400 km. The Earth rotates on its axis once in 24 hours. The Earth rotates about an imaginary axis that passes through the north and south poles. The Earth is slightly tilted on its axis, means not straight, due to the rotation of the Earth. Day and night on Earth occurs. Rotation of the Earth is always in the same direction. The Earth revolves around the Sun. It is called revolution. Due to revolution of the Earth, change in season takes place. Earth completes its revolution around the Sun in 365.25 days. Natural satellite of the Earth is Moon. As these all are already known to us, that is why I am moving fastly, because all are known to us. Mangal, Mars. It is a reddish colored planet therefore, and it is also called the red planet with a lot of solid carbon dioxide. It is a planet with no atmosphere. Very important. It is a planet with no atmosphere. Craters and several large extinct volcanoes have also been observed. Scientists have found evidence of liquid water visible on the surface of the Mars. Underline this sentence, very, very important. Visible of liquid water. Mars has two natural satellites named Phobos and Deimos. We will today complete this page. Jupiter, Brihaspati. It is the largest planet of our solar system. It is so large that about 1,300 Earth can be placed inside this giant planet. It is covered by clouds and does not have a solid surface under the cloud. Jupiter has about 67 known satellites or moons. It is bright in appearance due to its thick atmosphere that reflects most of the sunlight falling on it. Jupiter mainly consists of hydrogen and helium in gaseous form. So you can understand in this chapter there are lots of information are there. Okay, Saturn, Shani in Hindi or Bengali we say. It is a planet of prominent rings of bright yellow color. It is very cold and second largest planet. It has several rings around it which consist of particles possibly consisting of ice. It has largest moon named Titan. Underline the sentence. Which planet has largest moon? And what is its name? Saturn. And the name of the moon is called Titan. Saturn has about 62 satellites or moon. It has 62 satellites or moon. Why moon? Because why every time it is written moon? Because as we know about one satellite of earth, it is moon. That is why it is written after each and every page. Okay, and last one, Uranus and Neptune, Orun and Varun. Uranus is the seventh planet and Neptune is the last planet from the sun. These planets are very far off and can only be seen through a telescope. So it is a chart. Follow this. It is a chart. Follow this. Okay. So here we stop here.
Here electricity came.
Yes. Can you tell me how many pages are still left?
No,
one and a half.
Meant two. No, 1.5 page.
1.5.
Okay. So hopefully we'll be able to complete it
By
tomorrow.
tomorrow. Yes, sir.
Hopefully we'll be able to complete it tomorrow. Akil, join just now.
Yes, ma'am.